Roger Robbie, calling ground control. Come in, ground control. Do you copy?
Yeah? Is everything okay down there?
Copy that. Everything's fine in the youth department. Thank you. Oh. Well, I was just playing. I better not touch that anymore. We have something for you from the Boulder City Library on planet Earth. It's the NASA HOLA kit, hands-on learning activity kit that you can get here at the library for free. NASA has been so kind to give us these NASA HOLA kits to give to the kids that come into our library. Each kit contains your mission instruction manual, very important for scientists. In here you will find the instructions to make 3 different activities. You also get all the things that you need to do those activities. It's got cups, straws, tight string, a measuring tape, even a pair of scissors. Everything you need right in here. You even get this great bag with the straps and the drawstring to carry your stuff in. When you finish your activities, you will find a survey sheet inside of your booklet. If you complete the survey sheet, bring it back to the library, you get a sticker. So come on down and get your NASA HOLA kit. There's a whole lot of learning that can be done in this little tiny kit. Excuse me, I've got to pretend call the medic. Houston, we're finished here.
Copy that, copy code.
I really got to remember which buttons not to push on that thing. See you later, guys.